All right, so this is what I have. I have an old Delta, I guess it's made of PVC toolbox. It was for a 2002 Dodge Dakota at the time. And it's been sitting in my backyard for a while. Of course, I lost the key and I hit it with some WD-40 and this popped open this side. But I can't seem to get the other side open at all. This side is locked solid, and I'm wondering if anyone out there knows how to unfreeze these locks or pop them off or something like that. Any help would be appreciated. Thank you.